Okay, this money manifesting secret honestly works so well. Pull out a sheet of paper and write down 5 money amounts in the middle of it. Now you can use this for any currency and any intention, but I would definitely suggest that you write down these money amounts that are more believable, but still a stretch. So don't write down like $10 billion. Write down something that's more believable, but vary the amount small and big. At the top, you're going to write down, I just now received, because that's our step 1 of all of this is the intention. Then you're going to write down step 2. Step 2 is seeing an end scene as if you already had the money. So a classic example would see a bank account increase by the money amount you are intending. So you can go ahead and write down your bank account increased with that number. Step number 3, you need to feel it's yours spiritually already. It might not be yours physically yet. You didn't manifest it into your physical life. But as soon as you intend for it, you have it spiritually. It's not that you will receive it, it's that you already did energetically. Step number 4, after we do the exercises, you're going to focus on I am abundance. Don't focus on the money, because that's when you overthink. Where's the money even going to come from? How is it going to happen? All that stuff. And you're going to focus on new actions in your business or your job, etc. So let's start with the example of $1,000. You write down in the comment section below, I just now received $1,000. So go ahead and write that down and comment. Then you're going to close your eyes as long as you're in a safe space to do so, and you're going to visualize yourself with $1,000 extra in your bank account. So visualize and see it. Then you're going to match your own inner thoughts so you can feel it's already yours. You say things like this. Wow, the $1,000 happened. Wow, I'm an amazing manifester. Wow, my money life is improving drastically. So you match your thoughts towards that reality. Then open up your eyes and focus on I am abundance for the rest of the day and do new actions in your business. For example, do 10 times the marketing. Open up more channels for new jobs to find you. Whatever it is, you follow new actions and you follow your soul's coherence. What feels like your next natural step moving forward? And you take action on it. So action is a part of this process because you are the channel from which the money comes through. Okay, so you're going to do that for every money amount you wrote down, 5,000, 7,000, 200, 50,000. You're going to repeat these 5 steps, or these 4 steps rather, but with all 5 money amounts. Okay, very important. What you're doing here is you're letting and surrendering. Because as soon as you plant the seed, just like a flower, you need to water it, which you do with emotion, and then you need to let it grow. You need to let it blossom. So the same thing goes with your money intentions. Don't overthink it. Don't try and get in your head about it. Just practice the new reality. And that's what you're doing. You're practicing having a money consciousness. So you're practicing the new reality of it this entire time. And that changes the game because you're just practicing each one of these. So for all 5 money amounts, you're practicing it as if it's learning a new language. So if you're learning Spanish or Japanese or Chinese or whatever language, you are practicing the language of money by asking, believing, and then acting as if the money was already yours. Does that make sense? It's really important. Now, I have a free 7-day trial of my soul-led manifesting and healing step-by-step system. It's amazing. If you've been looking for a way of like, how do I do all this stuff in a step-by-step way? There's a link in my description below and it's free. It's free 7 days. Try it out. Give it a run. There's no risk. Give it a go and see if you can come up with some really great wins together in my community and system. You'll enjoy it.